Which of the following is a sheer fabric? A. Velvet, B. Chiffon, C. Denim, D. Flannel. Color fastness refers to A. Stretchability of fabric, B. Durability of color on fabric, C. Speed of dye application, D. Dyeing process. Felt fabric is made by A. Weaving, B. Knitting, C. Matting and compressing fibers, D. Laminating yarns. Screen printing involves A. Dyeing fabric evenly, B. Upline designs using stencils, C. Heat treating fabric, D. Stretching yarns. Cotton ginning is the process of A. Dyeing cotton, B. Removing seeds from cotton, C. Finishing cotton, D. Bleaching cotton. What is the term for a fabric treated to resist water? A. Hydrophobic, B. Waterproof, C. Hygroscopic, D. Flame retardant. The process of adding color to fabric is called A. Printing, B. Dyeing, C. Weaving, D. Knitting. Non-woven fabrics are made by A. Knitting, B. Weaving, C. Bonding fibers together, D. Spinning yarns.
Now your turn. Answer questions and comments below to win exciting prize. Winners will be selected from correct answer. Don't miss your chance to win.